In this video, I will show you how to delete your Crypto.com account. To do this, first you want to make sure that you have absolutely no money in your Crypto.com account, because otherwise they will not delete it. So what you can do is just buy crypto with all of the money that you have and then transfer it to another wallet or exchange. After doing that, click on the three lines in the top left, and then from there go to Settings all the way at the bottom. Now here go to Account, and at the bottom there you will then see Account Closure. Now here click Continue, then click on Continue again, and then for me it's unable to proceed since I still have assets, but if you don't have any assets, then from there you can go and confirm it, and after you confirm it, you will then have deleted your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to delete your Crypto.com account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.